Getting bored of ordinary virtual medical events with the same features with no innovations? Expecting new ways to hold an event with these challenging times? We can offer you better solutions. Expect new experiences in virtual. GEO Convex is known as the forefront in organizing medical events. By transforming digitally, we've brought you the unique virtual experience and features for both your event creating and attending pleasures. As we've developed our latest innovation, the 12th Indonesian Pichunichu Update, the first virtual conference initiated by Indonesian Pichunichu Update, we have proudly presented the authentic and foremost breakthrough in 2021. An inspiring experience in virtual 3D 360-degree interface exhibition platform in Indonesian medical industry. We've broken the boundaries of ordinary virtual events by creating a state-of-the-art ones like no other. We've established the features to personalize the customizations of the designs and the contents, so the visitors can explore an interactive 3D and 360 virtual environment to stimulate the experience of a more engaging pediatric virtual conference. Let us guide you through the digital platform that can sustain your new ideas and innovations in creating a more enjoyable medical event in the future. With GEO Convex, we find the best virtual medical events experience ever, just for you.